Recraft's newest image models are now in FLORA. Generate vector illustrations from a single word. Landing page concepts with sharp text. Realistic editorial product shots. And 10 different logo directions in minutes. Here are 5 use cases of Recraft V4. Go from brief to landing page concept without opening another tool. Connect a prompt that generates a landing page hero to an image node and set it to Recraft V4 Pro. The Pro model can generate 2K images, and the non-Pro model gives 1K images for a cheaper price and faster speed. Rapid-fire logo exploration. Connect a prompt that generates a minimalistic logo to an image node. Recraft V4 Vector produces vector illustrations with ease. Generate professional editorial product mockups. Connect a prompt that generates a commercial photo of your product to an image node and set it to Recraft V4. Make stylized typography that's legible and ready to ship. Connect a prompt that generates a retro pixel art typography to an image node and set it to Recraft V4. Create vector illustration from a single prompt. Set the image node to Recraft V4 Vector and type in a simple prompt. Recraft will do the heavy lifting for you. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.